Our class today is on platelets. Platelets are small, colorless, non-nucleated, and moderately refractive bodies in the blood. Their shape varies. They could be spherical or rod-shaped when they are activated, and oval or disc-shaped when inactivated. The structure of platelets are cell membranes, microtubules, and cytoplasm. The cell membrane contains lipids in the form of phospholipids, cholesterol, and glycolipids. It contains carbohydrates in the form of glycocalyx and glycoproteins, and it also contains proteins as well. The cytoplasm contains proteins, enzymes, hormonal substances, chemical substances, and platelet granules. Proteins contained in cytoplasm include contractile proteins, which help in contraction of the platelets, platelet activating factors, which helps in aggregation of platelets, and some other types of proteins. Example of enzyme contained in cytoplasm is adenosine triphosphate. Chemical substances. Example of enzyme contained in cytoplasm is adenosine triphosphate. Hormonal substances include adrenaline, serotonin, and histamine. Properties of platelets. Adhesiveness, aggregation, and agglutination are three important properties of platelets. Adhesiveness refers to the sticking of platelets to rough surfaces. Aggregation is the grouping together of platelets, while agglutination refers to clumping together of platelets. These properties are important during blood clotting. Average lifespan of platelets is about 10 days. Level of platelets increasing above normal is referred to as thrombocytosis, while platelet level below normal is referred to as thrombocytopenia. Functions of platelets include blood clotting and clot retraction, prevention of blood loss, repair of blood vessels, and defense by encircling foreign bodies and destroying them. Prevention of blood loss